First question starts now. Who is the richest person in the world in 2021? Option A, Elon Musk. Option B, Jeff Bezos. Option C, Mark Zuckerberg. Option D, Bernard Arnault. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Elon Musk. Elon Reeve Musk FRS was born on June 28, 1971. He is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX. Early stage investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla, founder of the Boring Company, and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. With an estimated net worth of around $274 billion as of December 2021, Musk is the wealthiest person in the world. Second question. In which year the first Olympic Games were held? Option A, 1900. Option B, 1896. Option C, 1904. Option D, 1892. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, 1896. The first celebration of the modern Olympic Games took place in its ancient birthplace, Greece. The Games attracted athletes from 14 nations, with the largest delegations coming from Greece, Germany, France, and Great Britain. The United States won the most gold medals, 11, while host nation Greece won the most gold medals, overall 47. Third question. Which of the following film received the Oscar Award 2021? Option A, Nomadland. Option B, Sound of Metal. Option C, Mank. Option D, Promising Young Woman. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Nomadland. Nomadland is a 2020 American drama film written for the screen, produced and directed by Chloe Zhao. The Academy Awards, popularly known as the Oscars, are awards for artistic and technical merit in the film industry. They are regarded by many as the most prestigious and significant awards in the entertainment industry worldwide. Fourth question. What is the national tree of India? Option A, Banyan tree. Option B, Ashoka tree. Option C, Gulmohar tree. Option D, Peepal tree. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Banyan tree. Indian fig tree, also known as banyan tree, is a national tree of India, whose branches root themselves like new trees over a large area. Banyan tree has immense medicinal properties and is associated with longevity. Fifth question. Longest river in the world is option A, Amazon River. Option B, Yellow River. Option C, Yangtze. Option D, Nile River. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, Nile River. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in the northeastern Africa. It flows into the Mediterranean Sea. The longest river in Africa, it has historically been considered the longest river in the world, is approximately 4,258 miles, that is 6,853 km. Sixth question. The Balbakram National Park is located in which state? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, Meghalaya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, Meghalaya. The Balbakram National Park is located near the Garo Hills in Meghalaya and is famous for the golden cat and the barking deer. The park is often referred to as the abode of perpetual winds as well as the land of spirits. Besides this, the park is home to wild water buffalo, red panda, elephant, tiger, etc. Seventh question. Which Indian state announced free data card to college students for attending online classes? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Kerala. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu government is to provide free data cards of 2 GB per day to college students to enable them attend online classes till April 2021. The data cards will be provided to over 9 lakh students studying in government and aided arts and science colleges, engineering colleges and polytechnic institutions. The Electronics Corporation of Tamil Nadu will implement the scheme for self-finance college students. Eighth question. Which among the following is a progressive tax? Option A, customs duty. Option B, development surcharge. Option C, income tax. Option D, sales tax. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, income tax. In progressive taxation, the tax liability increases with individual or entity income. This is based on principle of ability to pay. Under this system, lowest income people are generally exempted while highest income people pay highest taxes. Income tax is thus an example of progressive tax. Progressive taxation results in redistribution of income from rich to poor. Ninth question. Theory of natural selection was proposed by option A, Darwin. Option B, Mendel. Option C, Karl Landsteiner. Option D, Lamarck. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Darwin. Theory of natural selection was proposed by Darwin. The theory is an explanation for adaptation and speciation. He defined natural selection as the principle by which each slight variation, if useful, is preserved. Last and 10th question. What is the capital of Sikkim? Option A, Aizawl. Option B, Kohima. Option C, Gangtok. Option D, Shillong. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Gangtok. The capital of Sikkim and base for exploring other parts of Sikkim. One of the cleanest places in India. Sikkim is a state in northeast India, bordered by Bhutan, Tibet and Nepal. Part of the Himalayas, the area has a dramatic landscape that includes India's highest mountain, 8,586 meters, Kanchenjunga. Sikkim is also home to glaciers, alpine meadows, and thousands of varieties of wildflowers.